Hello, and welcome to another one of our educative videos designed to help you enhance your online shopping experience from within MyBidfood. In this video, we will be discussing regular purchases and how to save them as saved baskets. Let's imagine that this business buys butterfish on a weekly basis. I'm going to quickly search for the butterfish products, and I will now add both of these products into my basket. Now, by accessing my basket on the top right hand side, you'll notice that those items have been placed into my shopping basket. There is also an option which we'd like to show you called Save My Basket. I'm going to call this saved basket Regular Butterfish, and then click Save. You will now notice that the items have been removed from your basket and that you're on a screen called My Saved Baskets. To find this screen from the home screen, it will either be on your Shortcuts tab or under your Orders tab. From the Orders tab, I'm going to select My Saved Baskets, and as you can see, here is the tab that says Regular Butterfish. If we view that saved order basket, you'll notice that there are the two items that I say I purchase regularly. The purpose of a saved basket is that you can log in, you can open your Saved Baskets tab and access any one of your already saved baskets by clicking on the Load to Basket button. It'll ask you, do you want to keep the saved order basket after loading it? By selecting Keep and OK, you can reuse this order basket. If for the purposes of quoting or checking pricing before ordering, you can then also choose to delete the saved order basket but continue to add your items to the basket. I'm going to keep this order form and click OK. As you'll notice now, I have very quickly managed to order those two items into my basket, and on my saved basket screen, I have not deleted it, but it can be reused anytime that I want in the future. We hope that this helps you and speeds up your ordering from within MyBidfood, and we look forward to seeing you in another one of our videos.